There are a lot of ways in which you can make money online, guys, but there are some simple ones and I'm gonna show you right now. Hit that subscribe and let's go. Now, first of all, a lot of you have heard about Shutterstock, right? There's a place that you can just go and you can just take a lot of these pictures and you can do whatever you want with them. So, for example, let me just type in, I don't know, maybe I can type in winter landscape and I'm gonna get a lot of these results. You can see that I've got 5 million winter landscape stock photos. And you can see that a lot of them are just looking really cool. But the thing with this one is that, for example, if I want to take this one, I actually have to pay for it. Okay, so if I want to download this, I have to pay for it. There is a free trial which you can use, but after you finish with that, you actually have to pay for these photos. But don't worry, we're not going to buy photos today. This is not what this is video all about. We want to make money with these photos and few other ones, but maybe you are wondering now, why do people buy these photos? What are they doing with them? Why they can't just download the photos from Google? That's a legitimate question. Now, let me try this one on Google. So I can just type in winter landscape. I can head over to images section over here, and you can see that, of course, I'm gonna get a lot of these images. Some of these are even better looking than those on Shutterstock. But the thing with this one is that, for example, if I click, I don't know, on this one, you can see here, images may be subject to copyright. Now, that is the problem. You can't use this one anywhere else if you just download this one because there's a copyright issue. You might run into some trouble if you try to resell this or do anything else with it. We can just run a quick copyright on Wikipedia, and you can see that a copyright is a type of intellectual property that gives its owner the exclusive right to copy, distribute, adapt, display, and perform a creative work, usually for a limited time. So if you just go and take this picture and maybe you sell it to someone, maybe you can get some trouble. Not maybe, but you are most surely gonna get yourself into some trouble. And today we want to make some money for us, so we want to stay clear from copyright issues. Now, when it comes to Shutterstock, you can actually see that there is $29 per month monthly subscription. Okay, so people pay this simply because they want to avoid this copyright strike. And if someone is running maybe a YouTube channel, well, they need to take these photos or videos or music even, which is copyright free, okay? Otherwise, YouTube might delete the content or maybe even ban the channel itself. So all of these people, they need to do it, okay? They need to find copyright free pictures or videos, or they just have to pay for this monthly subscription so they get a license. If they just take away this picture from the internet, they don't have a license for this, okay? So they can't post that on YouTube, okay? That puts them in a very dangerous spot. Now, truth be told, there are different websites which give you a lot of these pictures for free, such as pixabay.com. So there are a lot of these pictures which you can take for free, but you have limited options. One more such website is pexels.com, where you can just come and you can search for free photos or videos on this website as well. But as I've told you, those are just some limited versions, just like small collection of photos and videos, and this is not gonna be enough for all of these creators. So that's why they need to buy this. They need to buy the Shutterstock subscription. Now, what Shutterstock is doing well, they just don't take that money all for themselves. They split that money to all of those contributors to the platform. So for example, whenever someone uploads something on Shutterstock, they pay to that creator. They make a lot of money on these subscriptions, so they have money to pay. And in order to have a lot of these images for any search, so I don't know, maybe you can just type in panda, and in order to have a lot of these pandas on Shutterstock, they need contributors. They need people who just go and take pictures of pandas or make illustrations like you can see. So that is how we can make money with Shutterstock.com. But don't worry, you don't have to be a professional photographer. You don't have to have any expensive equipment, cameras, and so on. Or you don't even have to be an illustrator. The method that I'm going to show you today is simple, so no investment from you. And trust me, there can be some good money for you if you just follow me. So this is the trick, okay? Once you come on Shutterstock, you can just scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can find this, sell your content, okay? When you click on sell your content, you're gonna be redirected in here. And you can see it right away, guys. You can earn money doing what you love. So if you like photography, well, that's gonna be more fun for you. But honestly, anyone can sell these, okay? Anyone can sell even if you don't like photography. You can see in here, guys, you just have to create those. I'm gonna show you how you can create those and what to create. Then you will just submit your content on the platform. And then, of course, you're gonna get paid. You're gonna get paid as these people are doing. Just take a look at this information. More than $1 billion has been paid out to the contributors. So that's a big community, okay? And you can be a part of it. But just take a look, what are we gonna do on this? I want you to search for party invitation, for example. So you can just click on this. And these are digital templates, okay? So digital templates is also something which you can sell on Shutterstock, and of course something that you can buy on Shutterstock. So this is like a template, and a lot of creators need this in order to make something. I don't know, they need it for business, for advertisements, or something like that. So there are a lot of these templates which people also make and sell on Shutterstock. So how can we make these and make money with them? And in order to make these, this is what you have to do. Head over to canva.com. Canva.com has a lot of free templates for us. So you can just search for party invitation here as well. You can click on it, and then Canva will give you a lot of these templates which are for free. So for example, I don't know, maybe you like this one. What do you have to do? You just have to click on it, click on customize this template, and then you can change it a bit. You can be a bit creative, or you can change to another one. The important part is that this is for free, and when you are done with the editing, you just have to download this, okay? You just have to download this one to your computer, and then you go back to Shutterstock and you sell it on here. That's how simple this is. Now, to be honest with you, there are some templates on Canva which you have to pay for. So, for example, if it has like this Pro crown, you have to pay for these. But of course, you have a lot of these which are for free. These don't have a crown in this corner. For example, this one you have to pay for. But when you make enough money, I suggest that you pay for Canva because it is not expensive. It is like $12 per month. And you can make a lot of money on Shutterstock if you do this strategy. And one more option, which is even more profitable for selling these photos, is Stocksy. Now, Stocksy.com also gives a lot of money to their creators. So this is where you can sell your photos as well. And in order to do this on this website, you can just click here, contribute to Stocksy. Then you just have to apply, and you can see they promise you some good money on the website. So you can just combine both of these. And if you combine both of these, well, that's double the income for you. So all that you got to do now is to take some action, guys. You will get a lot of money, but you have to take the action, okay? Just take that action, and I'll catch you.